If you're new to this online space and you are looking for several ways to start making money online, or perhaps you're looking for several ways to earn your first dollar or your first $10 online, then this video right here is for you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a website where you will earn $10 by uploading a PDF file or a study document on their website. You don't need any experience to get started. There is no special requirement, and you can do this literally from anywhere in this world. So if this content is what you're looking for, then stick around to the end of this video. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Chinenwa Violet. On this channel, I share information on different ways of making money online. For more content like this, please consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified when I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, you all are welcome back. So without further ado, let's go to my screen. To get started, you're going to go to Google and type studypool, and it will bring you to this interface. All right, so here you're going to click on sell documents. All right, it's loading. All right, so you can see it says earn money by selling study documents. Earn up to $5,000 a month. We share your document with tens of millions of students. You get up to $10 every time a student views one document. All right, so to get started, you can see here it says we accept documents in all languages. So even if your document is not in English, you can always publish it on this site. To start uploading your PDF file, you just have to click on start selling document now. So you have to sign up, create an account, okay, as a first user, put in your email, your username, your password, and you create an account. So I already have an account here. So I'm going to sign into my account to show you guys more about this website, right? But before we do that, let's see how it works. You can see it says here, upload documents, upload class notes, old homework, exam quiz, prep materials. So you can put your file, you can put all your documents in a zip file and upload them here. All right, so once you've uploaded your documents, you have to wait for the system to review and approve your documents. Once your document is approved to be available for students to view, once a student views your documents, all right, you earn money. So you can earn up to $10 every time a student views your documents. All right, so you can see these are the top selling documents here, and these are the top earners, okay, on this site. All right, so I'm going to log into my own account, and I have an account here, and I've uploaded, and I've actually made like $20 from this site. All right, so I'm going to log into my account and show you guys more about this. So I've signed into my account, and I have 6 documents already approved. Like I said earlier, you can upload documents like practice tests, exam preparation materials, and study guides that can be helpful to the students. All right, then old assignments, class notes, you can put multiple language contents are allowed. It's very important for you to understand the do's and don'ts, okay, in order to maximize your earnings. Now the do's is you have to upload a high quality document. All right, and add document details, like include the name of your institution, have a strong title, the course details, and the tags. Okay, doing this has shown to increase sales by 480%. And then it must be meaningful. All content must provide educational value. Now these are the don'ts, is the opposite. Do not upload duplicated content or copyrighted content. So go through the good content examples and the bad content examples. When you sign in, you have access to all of this information. This will help you to upload quality documents. So if you want your documents to be approved, you need to make sure you go through all of these so that you don't get your document rejected. Now to upload the document on this site, you just click on upload more files. All right, and you will upload the documents and wait for them to approve it. Like I said, if you don't want to upload your documents one by one, you can actually put them in zip file and upload them at once, and the system will review your document and they will now upload it once approved. So if you have any past question paper, you have any practice test or any project or any report or any presentation, okay, in writing, or any class note at all, what you need to do is to type it out using the Microsoft Word and come over to this website called pdf2go.com. This website will help you to convert your document to PDF. So what you need to do is to upload the file here, click on choose file, choose it from your computer, and then you click on start. It will be converted to PDF file. and you can download the PDF file and upload it on this website. Okay, and once that is done, you have to wait for, once you've uploaded the document, you have to wait for them to review it and approve your document before you can start making money from your documents. All right, so another way you can also make money from this site is by becoming a tutor. You can become a tutor, you lecture students, you answer questions, and you can make up to $7,500 by doing so. All right, so to apply, you just click on apply now. This is tutor application, so you can start your application. You can withdraw your money via a bank deposit, check, PayPal, Payoneer, TransferWise, Western Union. All right, these are ways you can withdraw your money from the site.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please let me know what you think in the comment section, and do not forget to like this video so that YouTube can also share this video to other people to watch and also get value from it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and friends, your family. They might be in need of it. They might want to start making money online. Okay, so share this video. Sharing is caring. Share it to as many people as you can. All right, so thank you so much. I do appreciate you all for watching this video, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.